Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, my name is Jackie and I am just trying to get into the YouTube world. I love makeup and I would just like to share my passion and my skills and knowledge with you guys. And yeah, so today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do this. I'm using none other but the Jacqie and I palette. Go figure, it is my all-time favorite palette, and if you can get your hands on it, please do it because, oh my god, it is amazing. If you guys are daring enough to try this, which I really hope you are, then keep watching and I will show you how to do this. Alright, so first we need a transition shade, and as always when I'm using the Jacqie and I palette, this is usually my transition shade. It's just a very neutral yellow shade. We're just going to throw that all over the crease and the lid. And this is just going to help all of the rest of the colors blend in a little easier later on. Using a Morphe M34, and I'm going to dip into this teal color. And this is just going to go all over my crease. Now once that's all blended in, I'm going to be using the same brush and I'm going to be dipping into this forest pine green color. I'm going to be blending that into the crease, but just more on the outer part of the crease and kind of into the outer corner. Keeping it low. On that, I'm going to be taking this brush. It's not quite a blending brush, it's not quite a packing brush. It's like right in the middle. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, this beautiful blue color, which is super pigmented, and I'm not even going to tap off the excess. I'm just going to go ahead and start placing it all over my lid. And there is fallout with this, like it is falling all over here. The best way to prevent that, in my opinion, is either doing your eyes first or putting a powder underneath your eye and then just brushing it away once you're done with your eyeshadow. See, like it's all over right there. I'm going to go in with this, it's like a smaller detailed packing brush, and I'm going to dip into this super pretty teal shimmery shade. And I'm gonna just pack that right into the inner half of my lid. And just slowly kind of pat that onto that other blue color that we just put on to blend that in. And these are so pigmented that you don't even like need to wet the brush. to get the full color effect, which is absolutely amazing in my opinion. And once you're done with that, you're going to go in. This is what I use for my lower lash line when I really want to pack on the color. I'm going to dip into this color first, teal color that we used in our transition shade, or in our crease. And then I'm going to start in the middle and then slowly blend it to the each edge. And this doesn't have to be perfect, because then once you're done with that initial shade, you're going to go into that shimmery color that we used on the inner lid and use that on the inner lower corner. And then using that dark pine green, that's just going to go along the outer edge of the lower lid. And if you do that slowly and kind of blend it together as you're doing it, it should be really easy and you won't have to do much extra blending. That is it for this very colorful, bold, deep sea kind of look. It is super, super easy, as you could tell, and it's actually a lot easier to wear than you would think. So I dare you to try this, wear it out in public, just like as an everyday look, and believe me, you will get a lot of compliments on it. So if you like what you saw, then make sure to give my video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you would like to see next, why or where you would wear this look. And then make sure to subscribe so you can see more videos like this. I am definitely excited to be posting more videos again. So if you subscribe, you can make sure that you're seeing the other videos that I'm posting. And then share this video if you would like. Share it with your Facebook friends, or send it to one of your friends who you think would rock this look. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I really appreciate you guys being here, and I will catch y'all next time. Peace out, party people.